Hi. So not too long ago, I went live and I showed you a house that the client and my contractor and myself were rehabbing a little bit. And today I'm excited to say it is open for the public to see. We are at 2177 Wakita Drive in Marietta. It is 13 minutes from downtown Square and it is 15 minutes from the Battery. Super sweet neighborhood. I'm going to turn it around and let you have a sneak peek. All right, it is a nice big corner lot. The driveway comes up, built in 1959 and fully rehabbed. Cute little brick ranch bungalow everybody loves. It is a wonderful opportunity for a first-time home buyer or a lovely investment property. It could even go in Airbnb because there's no HOA here. Look at this, y'all. Now, these are the original hardwoods that came with the house. And then as you go further back, those are brand new. You can hardly even tell the difference. You have to really be looking for it. I am so pleased with how these floors turned out. You just have no idea. This home originally was 3 bedrooms with 1 bath. And the contractor said, we need 3 bedrooms with 2 baths. Did he make it happen? Yes, he did. So let me show you how. As you walk down the hallway, we have the first bedroom on the right. And the first bathroom with a pocket door, full bath with a tub, beautiful tile, floating cabinets. And look at this. So cute, overlooking the corner lot here. Built-in bookshelves. Those are original to this home. And the closet to the left. And then this would be considered the primary suite. It has a closet here. And this was the improvement. We added another bathroom right here. So you may be wondering, well, where is the laundry room? So that's what we used for the second bath. And so the laundry room has been moved out to the utility, which is all still on the same level. And it is right here. Check that out, y'all. Genius. Look at the generous backyard. Just waiting for someone to come in and make it their own